In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to import a quiz. So select that Manage Quizzes tab again, and this time we're going to select the Import Quiz option. From here, it's going to give you two different options. The first option is to import a Socrative quiz from another teacher, or you can import a Socrative quiz from an Excel file. So I'm first going to show you how to import this Socrative quiz from another teacher. In order to do that, what you are going to do is go to your web browser and you are going to type in garden.socrative.com and this page is going to appear. Okay, on that page you're going to select this Socrative shared quiz list, which is going to open up this Google document. Okay, on this first page of the Google document, it explains to you how you can search through all the quizzes, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So on the bottom of the page, you are going to select the Shared Quizzes tab. And from there, there's a whole list of all of the quizzes that have been shared by other teachers. Okay, obviously it could take you a while to search through all of these to find what you want. So there are two ways that you can search using this Google document. The first is using this filter. Okay. So for example, I teach high school math, so I might select math at the high school level, and that limits some of my options just to the high school math. Okay, if there's a particular subject or area that I want to look for, I can select Command F from my keyboard or Control F, depending on whether you're using a Mac or a PC. And that's going to drop down this Find in Sheet menu. And let's say that I'm currently working on quadratics. Proper spelling might help. So you can see that all of the highlighted quiz names appear. Okay, so and there's 11 of them that are available. So let's say that I want to select this quadratic formula quiz. What I'm going to do is copy and paste the name of this into this import quiz. And I'll select import quiz and it tells me that it's successfully imported. Now, if I want to access that quiz, I'm going to have to go back to the Manage Quizzes tab and select the My Quizzes option. You can see that I have copy of solving quadratic equations by the quadratic formula. I want to click on that and then I can download that or I can edit that. If I download it, it's going to give me an actual PDF document of that quiz. Okay, if I select edit, there's my PDF. Okay, so I could print that out if I wanted to. Okay, but if I click edit, I can now edit the page. Okay, and it looks the exact same way as it does when I create my own quiz. Okay, so perhaps if I look over this and say, oh, question 2 looks a little bit difficult for my students, or maybe we haven't covered that content yet, I can delete that, I can edit that and just replace it with another question. I can basically, change it to fit my student needs. Okay. Saving and exiting that will bring you back to the home page. Okay, so that's how to create, import quizzes that have been created by others. The second way to import quizzes is by using the Excel file template that they give. Okay, I don't really like this option and I'll show you why. So if you download the Excel template, you're going to open that on your computer and this is how the template looks. Okay, it gives you the instructions here. The only type of questions that you can create are open-ended or multiple choice questions. Okay, so if I wanted a multiple choice question, I would have to select multiple choice and type in my question. So what city do we live in? And then I'd have to give my different answers. And then I would have to save this and upload it to that Socrative page. Okay, I'm not a fan of it just because this isn't very user-friendly, and the options, it's just not as easy as it would be if you just use the creating quiz option that Socrative gives you. Okay, but I just wanted to show you that just in case you wanted to explore that. We're not going to save this. But if we did, then I would select choose file, and then I can upload the Excel spreadsheet that I created using the template that I had just shown you. Okay, so those are two other ways that you can create quizzes using Socrative.